Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 387th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today is National Cheesecake Day. So in honor of today, I'm going to share with all of you a magnificent no-bake strawberry cheesecake. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, full of fresh strawberries, and the best part, no oven required. And I've got a special ingredient that's going to take this cheesecake to the next level. I'm going to love it, love it, love it. A great dessert for summertime. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cheesecake recipes playlist, my no-bake cheesecake recipes playlist, and my previous video, blueberry pie. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your cream cheese, your graham crackers, and your strawberry sugar, because we're about to make some no-bake strawberry cheesecake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the crust. In my bowl I have 2½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, or you can use vanilla wafers or chessmen cookies. And into our graham cracker crumbs we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of white sugar and 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted. Going to give that a quick stir until it resembles wet sand. Alright my friends, now we're ready to pour the crust into the pan. We're going to pour it in a 10-inch springform pan that I grease with cooking spray. Alright my friends, so now we're going to flatten and use a measuring cup. We're just going to press it down the sides. Alright, so now we're going to put the crust in the freezer and we're going to let it chill for 30 minutes. And while that's happening, we're going to get started on our strawberry puree. Alright my friends, in my blender, we're going to add in a pound of fresh strawberry, and I cut the tops and I wash them. You can also do this in the food processor. So now we're going to cover it and we're going to puree them on a high speed. Alright my friends, now we're ready to cook it. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. We're going to add in the strawberry puree. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to let this simmer until it gets really thick and reduce to a 1/2 cup. And as soon as I get this thickened, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, this is what our strawberry puree look like. Nice and thick. Alright. Perfect. So now I'm going to let the strawberry puree cool. And while that's cooling, we can get started on our cheesecake. In my large bowl, I have 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese and 1 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread. And they're both at room temperature. I like to use cream cheese and cream cheese spread to give a nice smooth texture. And into our cream cheese, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And we're going to cream these until it's fluffy on medium speed. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in the strawberry puree. And mix that in until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, here's the ingredient that's going to give this strawberry cheesecake a unique flavor. We're going to add in 2 cups of melted white chocolate chips. Oh yes, white chocolate chips. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a tablespoon of pure strawberry extract. And again, we're going to mix all these together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, this is what our cheesecake batter look like. Look at that beautiful pink color. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Ain't nothing like the smell of fresh strawberry. Alright, there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. Some homemade whipped cream. And it's just 1.5 cups of cold heavy whipping cream with 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. And I whip it on medium speed until it reaches stiff white peaks. And fold this in. Alright, my friends, our cheesecake batter is complete. Luscious, smooth, and whipped. Alright, perfect. Now we're ready to pour it into our chilled graham cracker crust. Alright, so now I'm going to shake it a little bit. And using my offset spatula, we're just going to smooth the top. Like so. Alrighty, my friends, now we're going to put this beautiful strawberry cheesecake in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill overnight until it's firm. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day and our strawberry cheesecake is nice and firm. So now I'm using my large star piping tip filled with whipped cream. I'm just going to pipe it around the edges. Alright, and then I have some strawberry slices. I'm going to put a couple right in the middle. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. No-bake strawberry cheesecake. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with a strawberry on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Full of strawberry goodness. Decadent. So creamy, it just melts in your mouth. This is marvelous. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Ain't nothing like a graham cracker crust. Yum-o. Strawberry cheesecake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights or send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, Much love, stay safe, and happy National Cheesecake Day.